Hi students, now our study is about intersection between a parabola and a function. This parabola and a function can be a line or can be a parabola by itself. So suppose you have x and y axis, suppose this is the parabola, either you have no points of intersection or with the line, I'm talking first of all about the line, or the line is tangent. Suppose you have here one point of intersection, or you may have maximum 2 points of intersection. Okay, so we're going to talk about these conditions. So let us take an example here. You have y equal f of x equal x squared minus x minus 6, and the line y equal x plus 2. Graph first of all the two functions. So you all know you need to find the vertex. A is positive, it means negative, minimum. So minus b over 2a, which is 1 over 2. And if you replace by 0.5 here, you're going to get x is equal minus 6.25. Two particular points, you all know about it. If x is 0, minus 6. If x is 2, 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So we have the green one in the graph. Line, you need to take two particular points. 0 is 2 and 1 is a 3. So as you can see graphically, I have 2 points of intersection. Suppose this is point A and point B. Now we need to find the coordinates of these points. How do we find the coordinates? Since the points are both in the line and on the parabola, so we say y equal to y. When you want to solve it, y equal to y, so you equate these two. You bring everything to that side, you have an equation of second degree. Here, because a is 2, you can do delta prime. If calculator is allowed here, you can get the answer directly. If not, so you do delta prime, which is equal b prime squared, because a is 1 here. B prime is minus 2, minus 1, and c is, sorry, minus 1, and c is minus 8. So the delta prime equal b prime square minus ac, so you have 9. So you have two roots, 4 and minus 2. Now if x is 4, either you replace in the first equation to find y or in the second. So better to replace it in the line. So 4 plus 2, 6. So I have the first point. If x is minus 2, you replace it down. Minus 2 plus 2 in the line, it is 0. So these are the 2 points of intersection. Another example here, the same. I want to graph first of all the first function, x of b minus b over 2a, so it is 2 over minus 2, so minus 1. Replace here minus 1, so you have minus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4 is 5 particular points. So you have this graph, and the line, you take two particular points. As you can see also, you have 2 points of intersection. Suppose this is point A graphically, and this is point B. Now to solve it, you equate y equal to y. So this, the above equal minus x minus 1. You bring everything to the first side. Here certainly I will let you use a calculator. You can find the roots directly in the calculator. You have two roots. If x equal minus 2.71, if you replace it here, you're going to get minus 2.71. You can replace it either up or below. It's up to you to decide. And if x equal 1.79, if you replace it here, I think there's something wrong here. If x equal, no, it's correct. If x equal minus 2.71, if you replace it here, you're going to get minus 2.79. So 2.79 minus 1 is 1.79. And if x equal 1.79, so minus 1.79 minus 1 is 2.79. These are the coordinates of the 2 points A and B. Here another example, you need to graph first of all this one. So here the vertex is minus b over 2a minus 1, 2, the particular points. You graph these two. You can see they touch in one point. So graphically you have 1 point of intersection. Arithmetically you equate y to y. You bring everything to the first side. You're going to get x squared plus 4x plus 4 is 0. If you do delta, it's 0. So you have double root. What does it mean that delta equal to 0? So I have one root, so they intersect in just one and only one root. And this root here, minus b over 2a. So, or minus b prime over a. So it's minus 1 minus b prime, I mean, because, sorry, here. So minus b prime because b is even, or minus b over 2a, it doesn't matter. So minus 4 over 2 is minus 2, and if you replace here by minus 2, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the point of intersection, which is point B here, not A. So this is B in the graph. Here I have now intersection between two parabolas. So two parabola, either they have no points of intersection. In that case, when solving, delta will be negative, or they are tangent. Tangent, it means they have only one point of intersection, or like this picture, you have 2 points of intersection. Same story. You have the graph, you can check it by yourself, two parabolas. As you can see graphically, I have 2 points of intersection. We need to find it. We equate y equal to y. You bring everything to the first side. You have an equation of second degree. X is minus 2 or x is 1. Like you replace minus 2 either here in the first one or in the second one. You're going to get the same answer. So if you replace it up, 4 minus 8 is minus 4, minus 5 is minus 9. If you replace by 1, 5 minus 5, 0. So these are the 2 points that we need to find. Here also same story, you can check by yourself the graph. Graphically here, as you can see, you have one point of intersection, so you solve y equal to y. If you do it, you have double root, it means one point of intersection, and minus b over 2a here, minus 6 over 6 is minus 1. To get y, either you replace up or down. So here 2 minus 2, 0, plus 2, so 2. So I have one point of intersection. So this section, as you can see, is very simple. Here you can check the graph by itself, by yourself, because you know these. Graphically, as you can see, I don't have no points of intersection. Now, if you want to do delta, you're going to get delta 0. So y equal to y, you equate it, you bring everything to the first side. So if you do delta here, or delta prime, so 9 minus AC minus 15 less than 0, so no roots. No roots, it means no points of intersection. Here it's the same as before, graph. So I have this graph, you can see the vertex, particular point. Now I want to solve f of x equal minus 4. This is f of x. What does it mean f of x equal minus 4? F of x minus 4 is nothing else than the intersection between y equal f of x and y equal minus 4. Y equal minus 4 is a horizontal line, you can see it here. And f of x, this is f of x, the graph that we have. So as you can see, I don't have any point of intersection, graphically no point. If you want to solve it arithmetically, you're going to get delta less than 0. So you equate it, you take the 4 to the other side. So if you do delta, delta negative, so no roots. If you want to solve f of x equal minus 3, it's nothing else than the intersection between y equal f of x and y equal minus 3. This is y equal minus 3. The one point of intersection with is what here, the vertex, which is the point A. So directly you can put it is, you can put directly it is the vertex. Why you have one point. Like if f of x equal to 1, you can see I have 2 points of intersection E and F. So graphically 2 points. If you want to solve it arithmetically, you take it to the other side. Here you can use your calculator because you have a square root. You're going to get x is equal minus 2.41 or x is 0.41. Since you have y, you want to solve it f of x equal to 1. So what is y of the point? So here, sorry, because I copy and paste, so here y is 1. So y of the point must be 1 here and here. So these are the 2 points of intersection. So this last video about parabola, this is the last video. It's very simple. Okay, hope that you got everything. Thank you.